Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about an online tutoring website that connects tutor and students across the world. If you're a tutor, you can earn money from here. If you're a student, this website solutioninn.com can be extremely helpful and useful for you when it comes to your assignment, homework and studies. So if you are someone who get a lot of homework, a lot of assignment, and if you don't have anyone to help you, this is the right place for you. So let us understand how the tutor help system of solutioninn.com works. If you don't know me, my name is Trilekha. I make videos on online income ideas, work from home ideas, parenting, personality development, English lessons and lot more, and you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. Say you have got some assignment or you have a math question or some other subjects question. So how this whole tutor help system work? For this, let me take you to the screen and make you understand.
So first, what you need to do is go to Google and type solutioninn.com. You will be directed to the page something like this. Okay. If you are a new student, you need to sign up. If you already have an account, you need to sign in. And then go to ask a question here. Once you click on ask a question, you will see tutor help. Here you can have one-to-one session with the tutor, either on audio call, on chat or video call, whatever you prefer, but I guess chat is more than sufficient. So once you decide that this is the question I want solution for, you can either write that question in detail here, as you can see, explain your question, or if you have that question or assignment in some file, you can directly drag and drop those files here and just click on attach files, okay, as you can see here. So say I have a maths question, so I'll choose a category related to maths, then I'll type a question, okay, and then when you type a question, there are three options. If that question is something which is of high difficulty level, then you can go for the featured option where the question will be shown to only high quality tutors. Okay. If it is urgent, if you want immediate response, then you can click on urgent. So you will get questions answer within 24 hours. If you click on sealed, that means tutor who has already sent you proposal will not be able to see what others are bidding. Now, what is this bidding and proposal? Let me explain it to you. Say you post a question here, then you will see number of tutors there, whosoever is available, okay, and you will see their ratings. They will offer you particular amount that this is the amount in which I'm going to solve your question. So, based on their previous experience, their rating, their qualification, and the amount they are charging you, you can choose them. So, suppose one tutor says that I'm going to charge you 100 rupees for this question. So, you can talk to other tutor if you want some the same question in lesser amount. So, the first tutor will not be able to see what you are talking to, whatever you are talking to other tutor. So, that is how this sealed system works. Now, once you post your question or attach your file, you can click on post question here. Whenever tutor solve your question, you are going to get an email from solutioninn.com. So everything will be notified to you with the help of email, whatever email you will put here while registering. So this is how this tutoring system here works. There are many tutors and you can go through their profiles, their ratings, and you can choose as per your requirement.
So that's it for today. If you want to earn money from solutioninn.com, you can go and check out this video here. Also subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. See you soon with one more video.